face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. My name is Nanayao and I do videos about how to make money online and learn as well. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Guys, forgive me about my huge voice. I just woke up, so it's going to be like that. In this video I have two applications which help you to make money without you doing anything. The other one you have to do offense and some of the things, but for the other one too, you just connect your data and then you sit back for you to earn real cash. Yes, and again you can also refer people to refer people and then make some parts money out of what they are earning. But before I jump into the video, I earlier did videos about cheaper cash and then PALMPAY. For the cheaper cash users, I think they've updated their system. So if you register with cheaper cash, or if you did register with cheaper cash, please make sure you use either voter's ID or your country's card to verify your account. And after that, it's either you buy airtime of at least 1 cedi. I'm talking about Ghana here, but I don't know of Naira or something like that, or the Tanzanians, I don't know. So after you've registered, you verify yourself with your country's card, either voters or your country's card, and then you buy airtime or you send money to someone, and then your account will be fully activated, and then you receive your bonus, and then you start referring people to it and you start making money out of it too. And then for the cheaper cash, once you register, you just send money or you buy airtime worth 1 cedi, and then your account will be fully activated, and then you start referring people. If you bring 5 people within that week, they are going to pay you I think $6 that week, and then the following week, if you are able to bring 5 people too, you are going to earn more and more and more money for PALMPAY. I'll leave the links under the description, so in case you've not registered, you can check it out and then you do so. So please, let's jump into the video. The video that we're going to talk about is Honeygain. Honeygain. What is Honeygain? This is make money online with Honeygain. Okay, so simply download the application, turn it on, and earn. It's so simple. All you have to do is you download the application, you turn it on, and then you start earning real cash. I'll leave the link under the description, so all you have to do is to click on it and it will direct you to this place. Very good. And then the good thing I love about this is that it's available for the Windows, Android, and then Mac. That is the OS apps. Yes. And how it works. What you have to do is you install the Honeygain on your preferred device, and then you connect the device to the internet, and then you get paid. It's so simple. Okay, so Honeygain's network is used by business clients for web intelligence and content delivery. Honeygain manages the connections and payments. Honeygain share your unused net traffic with data scientists. Yes, they are going to share your unused traffic or internet traffic with data scientists, and then they pay you for that. Very good. And then the minimum cash out is $20, which is the cool money, and it is going to be sent to you through PayPal, which is our preferred or a good way of receiving money. And then you can also refer your friends, and then you earn 10% of what they are earning. That is what I love. You refer your friends and then you earn 10% of what they are earning. So what you have to do is you come here and then you click on it. When you click on it, it will take you here. And then what you have to do is you now register. So guys, I'm a registered person, so I don't think I have to register again. So what I have to do is I'll log into it. Okay, and then my password. Okay, and then I'll hit on login. Okay, so this is my account. This is my account. This is how it looks like. I mean, your dashboard after you've registered or after you've logged in. So you see it like this. All you have to do is you make your internet connected, and then you'll be earning the money. And then here you can see the devices I've logged in with this application and what I've earned so far. Yes, and then here is your referral link. In case you want to refer people, you can just highlight it and then you right click to copy, or you can just hit on the copy, and then this will be copied, and then you can share it. And once everybody register with it, you are going to earn 10% of everything that they are earning. And here is your transaction history. Here you can see what the transaction history that you've done, like the transaction either you've cashed out or the money you've cashed out. You will see them here. And then referrals, you can see people that you've referred so far. Are they 10? Are they 20? Here is where you are going to see it. And then here is FAQ. All the questions that you need are here. So you can come here and learn more about it. Learn more about Honeygain. So this is Honeygain, guys. Make sure you check under the description for the link and then register. It's legit and it is really paying. And then the second app that I'll be talking about is called FeaturePoints. I know a lot of people may have heard about this application, but it's really legit. Yeah, a lot of people might have heard of this application because it's been in existence for a very, very long time. And then they are really legit. Make money and earn rewards on your phone or the web with service, cashback, and then more. And then it is available for the Apple devices and then the Google Play as well. So these are the amounts which has been rewarded since 2012. So you see, this application is really legit. And then they work with people like Best Buy, Forever 21, Walmart, Target, and you can see this is really cool. These are really trusted people or companies. So you can download apps, try free games and apps to earn points. Just try the app for a few minutes and you'll be credited. Yes, they will just ask you to go and download maybe Instagram, and then your tax will be just log in, and then after you've logged in, you're going to receive your points, which is really cool. Share with friends and earn. You can also share this with your friends, and then you earn 50% of what they are earning. The other one was 10%, but I think this is really fair. So you're going to earn 50% of what they are earning, and then you can redeem your point to a lot of gift cards. Like redeem your points on a collection of gift cards including Amazon, PayPal, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, Bitcoin, and then many more. So this is really cool. So if you are a new user, or if today is your first time here, as I said, I will leave the link under the description. So once you click on it, it will direct you here. And then if you're a new user, you type in your email here, blah 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 @gmail.com. But if you are already a user, you just click here, and then it will you click here, and then it will take you here. And then you type in your email. Yes, you type in your email. Let me try and see if I've not forgotten my email or the email I used to register with it. Okay. to solve a captcha. Is this really the crosswalk? Crosswalk. Okay, and then we hit on continue. And then password. Okay. Okay, then we hit on login. Very good. Log. Okay, so guys, this is it. As I said, you can do surveys and then earn money. You can also do some of their offers. They also have a competition or something like that. You can join and then you can earn a huge amount of money. You can download apps and then earn more. You can also share with friends and then earn more. So if you're interested in surveys, you hit on surveys and then it will open a bulk or huge surveys companies, and then you select your favorite from and then you do it. And then if you're interested in the offers too, these are some of the offers. You can also try them and then you earn a huge amount of money. It's like I've not confirmed my email address. That's why the service here and the offers are really few. So once I confirm my email address, I will see more service and offers in here. And as I said, you can also win some of their competitions and something like that. You can also download apps through iOS devices and then Play Store, and then also earn more. And then once you are done, you can cash out with PayPal, Amazon, Play Store, and even Bitcoin is supported. So you can try them and then use your money for something else. So guys, this is it. These are the two applications that I was talking about. As I said earlier before I started, Cheaper Cash has now changed their policy. So once you register, all you have to do is you buy airtime or you send money to somebody before your account is going to be activated. After you've verified your account with your country card or your country's voter's ID, you have to buy airtime or send money to someone before your account is going to be activated. And the airtime that you buy, the money that you are going to get back is more than the airtime. And then you can also use the airtime for something else. And then the PALMPAY, the moment you register, you have to hotels. You have to buy airtime or send money to someone else. It's the same as the Cheaper Cash. And then after you've bought the airtime, your account is going to be activated, and then now you can refer people to it, and then you get your money weekly. Yes, they pay weekly. So if you get 5 people to register, your money is going to be like $6 to $7 for that week, and which is really cool. So make sure you register if you've not. And as I said, I will leave the links under the description. So make sure you check it out and then you register. Guys, this is what I have for you, and hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.
Face, tell me that you love me.